Hello everyone. Today we will learn about setting Java environment in cPanel. There are 5 steps. First one is installing JDK in cPanel. Second one is installing Apache Tomcat. Third one is mapping Apache server. Fourth one is loading project files. And last one is turn on Apache server. Before see these steps in details, let's buy domain and hosting for your web application. First we will buy domain for our web application. For this, first open MediaStroke website. Let's search it on Google. MediaStroke. Here is mediastroke.com. Let's click it. Let's search domain name, that is your website name, in search bar, like was2.1. Let's search. It's check whether your website name is present or not. Let's add this .in domain and press checkout. Here select DNS management. It's free for 1 year, and email forwarding, it's also free. Here you can put your hosting server names. Here we are in checkout page. Let's see all details. Choose your plan. We first choose 1 year plan and checkout. After buying domain, let's buy Java hosting from MediaStroke website. Here in shared hosting, click it on Java dedicated hosting plans. Here is a description of Java hosting. What is Java hosting? According to your project requirement, you can choose any plan from these 4 plans. Let's click first plan for 1 year and click it. Let's use this. And continue this. After buying hosting and domain, let's connect it by changing name servers of domain, which is given by your hosting provider. Let's paste it here and change name servers as given. Let's get back to our topic, installing JDK on cPanel. According to your project requirement, you can install JDK versions. If required JDK version is not present in cPanel, you can ask for hosting provider to install that version. Let's go back to cPanel. Click it JDK selection. Here in JDK selection, you can install any version you want. Here JDK 8 is present, so I select it and submit it. Our second topic is installing Apache Tomcat. According to your project requirement, you can install Apache Tomcat version as follows. First one is Apache Tomcat 7, Apache Tomcat 8.5, which I preferred, Apache Tomcat 9, Apache Tomcat 10. If required Apache Tomcat version is not present in cPanel, you can ask for your hosting provider to install that version. Let's go back and install Apache Tomcat. Here in Apache versions, you can install Apache Tomcat. Here are 3 versions available. I already installed 8.5. You can simply click it install button and install it. Our next topic is mapping Apache Tomcat server. Here we use wildcard mapping to set up mapping in between all domains or subdomains to our Apache server. Wildcard mapping setup pass between Apache server, JDK, domain together using DNS record. Let's go back and click mapping section. Here I already installed wildcard mapping. You can disable it from here and enable it from clicking wildcard mapping button. Our next topic is loading project files in File Manager. In Java project, we load our project in the form of .war files. In project files must be loaded in web apps folder in Apache Tomcat. Project.war files must renamed as root.war after loading. Here first we create .war file of our project. Here is a Java project present in my system. So I right click it and click export option. Here we create war file. Let's browse it on desktop. Let's create a root file. Just rename it as root and save it. Finish. Here we get our .war file. Let's load our .war file in cPanel. Let's click it, File Manager. Here we get different files, but we store our project in app.servers folder. Here in app.servers we get our Apache Tomcat directory. Here are different directories present. Let's click it, web.apps. Here you see I upload root.war file by clicking upload. After uploading root.war file, be sure your folder name should be root.war, and after that simply reload the page. You can automatically get a root folder where your project is present. Our last topic is turn on Apache server. Let's go in cPanel. Here in power section, you can turn off or restart Apache server by clicking these buttons, stop Tomcat or restart Tomcat. Let's go and see our website by clicking here. To know about what is Java hosting, please see our previous video Link is given in description.